One more video on user interface. Look at the ribbon. Here some commands are shown at large and some commands are shown here in drop down menus. If you want to bring this command or these commands up to here, so we have to go to type a command CUI, customize user interface. Now in all customization file you have to find the home menu, ribbon, panels, and panels you have to find home 2D draw. In home 2D draw, here is row 1, row 2. Open both of them. So you want to bring any command from row 1 to row 2. This means from the drop down menu to the top. Right click, drag and drop. So we got the multi-point here. Okay, the multi-point will appear here. You see it's too small, so we go to the appearance, button style. In button style we click large with text, vertical. Decrease the name, for example endpoints. Apply. Okay, let's see, it will appear. You find here endpoint or multi-points.